You are going to love the 2021 Volvo V60. The Volvo V60 is all about pure driving pleasure, speed, and performance, all while using less fuel. It provides a luxurious cabin feel with custom-made ergonomic front seats, legroom for miles, and plenty of storage. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.